students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your homes. I am your computer teacher Miss Madhuri from California Public School. So, class 6th. In the previous video we have started our lesson number 2, that is file management data organization. So, in that chapter we have studied about how we can move a file, how we can copy a file, about how we can search a file. So the next topic is searching file using wildcard characters. Searching file using wildcard characters. How we can search the file with the help of wildcard characters. So what are the wildcard characters here? Wildcard characters are the special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you don't know. कोई भी फाइल हमने सर्च करनी है या फोल्डर, बट उसका एग्जैक्ट नेम हमें क्या नहीं पता है हमें उसका. सो देयर आर टू वाइल्ड कार्ड कैरेक्टर्स, स्टार एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. स्टार एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एस्टेरिस्क. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एस्टेरिस्क एंड दिस वन यू नो वेरी वेल, क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन मार्क. So this star in computer is called asterisk sign and this one is called question mark. So there are two wildcard characters commonly supported in Windows to search any information. So first one is using wildcard character asterisk. So the wildcard character asterisk can be used to replace a string of text in a search term that means any type and number of character in its place. Suppose from the example you can clear here L asterisk dot asterisk is written. So what does mean here? It will search all files whose names start with L. ये search करेगा सारी की सारी files whose names starts with L followed by any number of characters. So here asterisk means any number of character. L के बाद जितने मर्जी number of character आ जाएं and have any extension. और उसके बाद क्या लगाया है? डॉट एस्टेरिस्क मीन्स एनी एक्सटेंशन कैन कम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट विल सर्च फाइल लाइक लेटर डॉट डॉक्स बिकॉज इट इज स्टार्टिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ एल लेटर और अल्फाबेट. देन लॉटरी डॉट PPTX, locality डॉट TXT एंड so on. So here it will search files whose names are starting with L alphabet and after that any number of characters and any extension. So the next one is asterisk dot docs. So it will search for all the files having the extension as dot docs. तो ये क्या करेगा search? Asterisk means any number of files और and having extension dot docs. कोई भी फाइल को सर्च करेगा, सारी की सारी फाइल्स को सर्च करेगा और जिसकी एक्सटेंशन होगी dot docs. And this one L star dot docs will search for all the files whose names begin with the letter L and have the extension dot docs. तो ये क्या सर्च करेगा? L नेम से स्टार्ट हो रही हैं फाइल्स एंड आफ्टर दैट हैविंग एक्सटेंशन डॉट डॉक्स. L के बाद कोई भी नंबर ऑफ करेक्टर, जितने मर्जी नंबर ऑफ करेक्टर्स आ जाए और उसकी एक्सटेंशन क्या होगी? डॉट डॉक्स. सो wildcard character asterisk is used to replace multiple alphabets of text. मल्टीपल अल्फ़ाबेट्स को रिप्लेस करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एस्टेरिस्क. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज यूजिंग वाइल्डकार्ड कैरेक्टर क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो द वाइल्डकार्ड कैरेक्टर क्वेश्चन मार्क कैन बी यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ एनी सिंगल लेटर और सिंबल. सो इट विल रिप्लेस ओनली सिंगल लेटर एज एस्टेरिस्क इज रिप्लेसिंग मल्टीपल अल्फ़ाबेट्स, बट वाइल्डकार्ड कैरेक्टर क्वेश्चन मार्क विल रिप्लेस ओनली वन कैरेक्टर, ओनली single character. So this concept you can clear from this example as kips question mark dot docs will search for all the files whose names begin with kips. जिसके नेम स्टार्ट हो रहा है किप्स नेम से and followed by one character only. और one question mark it means it will replace only one character and extension as dot docs. तो उसकी extension क्या होगी? dot docs. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये क्या सर्च करेगा? किप्स 1 डॉट डॉक्स, किप्स 4 डॉट डॉक्स, किप्स P डॉट डॉक्स एंड सो. जितनी भी फाइल्स हैं जिसका नेम किप्स से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और हमारे कंप्यूटर में सेव हैं, दैट विल डिस्प्ले फॉर यू. सो द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, किप्स 3 question marks are there, and then .docs. So it will search file whose names are starting with kips, and after that 3 characters, only 3 characters, and are having extension .docs. So here you can see it will replace only 3 characters and extension as .docs. So same like that you will read these 2 examples. So the next topic is understanding different file formats. So here what are the file formats? So different types of file formats. Files can be stored in the computer, for example text documents, image files, presentations, video files, document files. So each type of file has a different file format or extension associated with it. हर एक फाइल के साथ क्या होती है, उसकी अपनी extension होती है. So what is a file format? A file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. So file format क्या है? Standard way. So with the help of file format we can store our file in a computer. So it is generally indicated by the file extension. A file extension contains 3 or 4 letters appended at the end of the file name separated by a period. So कोई भी file है, if we want to save that file in the computer, then we have to add extension at the end of the file. For example, I want to save video file having name Jia. So I will save like this, Jia, that is video file, so its extension is .mp4. So .mp4 is the extension for video files, for video files. So same like that, if we want to save image file, then it will have extension .gif, jpg, png. If it is a spreadsheet file, then it has extension .xls or .xlxx. So if that is simple document file, then it may have extension like .doc or .docs. So if it is audio file, then it have extension like .mp3 or .wav wave. And if that is presentation file, then it has extension like .ppt or .pptx. So the file type is also associated with its file icon. For example, if it is Microsoft Word file, then its icon is like this, W. And if it is PowerPoint file, then this icon will display, and it is over the icon P alphabet is written, and if it is Excel file, then its icon is like that. So what is the file format? File format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. So with the help of file format, we can store our file in the computer in a different or in a standard way. So the next topic is sorting files. How we can sort files or arrange our files in a computer. So window let you sort files by name, size, item type and date modified. According to name, according to size of the file, according to date and according to item type, we can sort our file. So these are some steps are given that we can follow if we want to sort our files. Firstly, we have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. Then a shortcut menu appears, like this one menu will appear. Here you have to choose sort by option. This one option we have to choose sort by option, and then we have to click on the name sub option. Then we have to choose the name sub option. So here different options will display, as you can see, size, item type, date modified. So if we want to sort our files according to file size, then we will choose this option. And if we want to sort our files with the help of item type, then we will choose this option. And if according to date, if we want to sort, then we will choose this option. So the next one topic is working with multiple applications. How we can open multiple applications in the same window. As you can see from here, from this picture, as in this picture, at a single time 2 pictures or 2 windows are open. Here Google is open, and here you can see Microsoft PowerPoint application is open. So these are some steps that we can follow if we want to open multiple windows at a single time. So we have to choose start. We have to click on the start here. This one is your start button, and then we have to choose all programs, then Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office 2010. So this one window will open. Then we have to choose open Google Chrome by double clicking on its icon on the desktop, and then now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. So there is option that is show windows side by side. So both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Now you can browse information on the topic simultaneously while working in presentation software PowerPoint. So side by side windows will open. So here you can Google window is open. Here you can search any type of information and you can copy simultaneously to the second application. So this is your topic, that is working with multiple application. So this is the last topic of your lesson number 2, that is file management, data organization. Your chapter is over now. Now you have to read these pages carefully. Take care students. Have a wonderful day.